Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore most asked speaking topics. Describe an outdoor sport you would like to do. You should say what it is, when and where you would like to do, with whom you would like to do, and explain why you would like to do it. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's begin the sample answer. Rock climbing is an outdoor sport that I've always been fascinated by. It's a physically demanding activity that requires a combination of strength, endurance, and mental focus. The idea of scaling a vertical wall, using specialized equipment and techniques, is exhilarating to me. I would love to go rock climbing in a place with a rugged and scenic landscape, such as the mountains of New Zealand or the cliffs of the Swiss Alps. The picturesque surroundings would not only provide a visually stunning backdrop but also add to the sense of adventure and challenge that comes with the activity. Ideally, I would want to climb in a region with a temperate climate, so I could enjoy the scenery without having to worry about extreme weather conditions. If I were to go rock climbing, I would want to do it with a group of experienced climbers who could provide guidance and support. Having someone with expertise in the sport would help me to learn new techniques, assess the risks involved, and make the most of the experience. I would also prefer to climb with friends who share my passion for adventure and the outdoors, so we could enjoy the thrill of the activity together and share the excitement of reaching the summit. I'm drawn to rock climbing for several reasons. Firstly, it's a great way to stay physically fit and challenge oneself in a unique way. Climbing requires a combination of strength, flexibility, and endurance, which would help me to improve my overall fitness levels and build confidence in my abilities. Secondly, rock climbing offers a sense of personal achievement and satisfaction that's hard to find in other sports. Reaching the top of a climb, especially after overcoming obstacles and pushing myself to my limits, is an incredible feeling that I would love to experience. Lastly, I think rock climbing is a great way to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the great outdoors. The experience of climbing in a natural setting, surrounded by breathtaking scenery and wildlife, would be both humbling and awe-inspiring. I believe that rock climbing would not only be an exciting and challenging activity but also a rewarding and enriching experience that would leave a lasting impact on me. In short, rock climbing is an outdoor sport that I would love to try, preferably in a scenic location with a group of experienced climbers. I'm drawn to the physical and mental challenges of the activity, as well as the sense of personal achievement and connection with nature that it offers. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.